Wadhi achiel kachiel nyaka kar kano ringre ma Nairobi Funeral Home, kama ringre Albert Ojwang ma bende tho mare nokelo penjo mathoth mokalo bang' tho e lwet obila. Nitimone bero okinyi ma kawuono, bero ma bende nochwe wang' gi okinde mag familia kaachiel koda jobero mag serikal. Watudore achiel kachiel koda Cynthia Onyango mantiere kar kano ringre ma Nairobi Funeral Home mondo nyiswa matimore. Mokwongo wawinjane duoko mantie.
By Ojwang himself must be external. But what we are waiting for is that at the moment doctors are locked in a room, they are debriefing to come out with a report, but to respect the family of Mzee Ojwang, is that after doctors are done, they brief the family so that the family can have the first information first. And then the family lawyer and myself, plus other organizations will come out and will give you now the cause of death. They must tell you with precision what is the cause of death. And I know that the cause of death will be determined today. Of course, samples have been taken for toxicology, which will go to laboratories for government laboratory or chemistry.